everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all safe and well, having a great day and enjoying your week so far. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and today I'm bringing you some Christmas DIYs on a budget using items that I found around my home. This video is also in collaboration with the gorgeous Mr Carrington. He's also going to be doing some Christmas DIYs using some items that he's found around his home. As you may know, or if you may not know, he's just completed a loft conversion, so you know what that means when you're doing renovations of any type. You tend to find a load of things that you can actually repurpose and DIY, okay? So I'm not sure what he's going to be doing today on this video, but I know he's going to be bringing something amazing to the table and I just can't wait to see his DIYs, okay? So if you guys have come over from Mr Carrington's channel, hi, welcome over here. My name's Amanda and on my channel you can find me doing DIYs, lots of shopping hauls, motherhood. A lifestyle channel is what you're getting from myself, okay? So if you're new here, I'd love to have you on board, so click that subscribe button and join the YouTube family, okay? So let me crack on with this video. Okay, so for this year, the colours that I'm going for my Christmas decor is silver, green, white and a little bit of jute. Okay, I just absolutely love jute in Christmas DIYs. It looks very farmhousey but also quite classic as well. So you've guessed it, I'm going to be using this jute string to do some DIYs today as well. Let me get started into my first project. So what I'm going to be using for the first DIY is this cone. Now I'm not sure where I got this from. I've actually had this for a few years, okay? So it did have like loads of tinsel around it, like green tinsel, but I'm kind of sort of going away from that kind of style now, and like I said, I'm going to be adding some of the jute, okay? So I think this is going to look really nice all juted up for my Christmas tablescape. So I'm going to go ahead and jute this up, okay? So I've got this jute string here, the natural, quite a thick one actually. This stuff is absolutely amazing for DIYing. I just absolutely love working with this texture, okay? So I'm just trying to find the end of it, which I have now got, and I'm literally just going to go round this tree shaped cone with the jute. I thought I might have to use some hot glue, but I'm not going to use the hot glue. I'm just literally going to twine it around there like so, and then just make up that shape again. It's very, very straightforward, you know. I mean, this DIY that I'm doing, as you can see, is very simple. I'm just keeping it simple really, and you guys can do this yourselves as well if you have a cone like this, or you can just make a cone out of a bit of cardboard as well, okay? I'm just going to go around with all of this like so. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you get the shape of the cone without showing any of that grey through. So it's taking shape at the minute and I'm already loving it, okay? Now it's taken a lot longer than what I thought, to be fair, but it's all good, it's all good. It's quite therapeutic actually doing this. So I'm just going to go around. So as you get to the wider area, it makes it a little bit easier. So you get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm just twining the jute around this cone like so. I'll finish this off camera because it's just taking a little bit longer than what I thought, okay? So I'm just going to put that down now. Okay, so for my second project, I'm going to be using this ceramic reindeer, which I picked up in the Salvation Army charity shop last year Christmas. Now he looks absolutely fine as he is. I'm just going to add some jute around the neck of it so it's in keeping with the rest of my Christmas decorations, okay? So very, very straightforward. I'm just going to use, I don't know, maybe 30 centimeters of jute and literally just wrap it around the neck of the reindeer like so, and I'm just going to tie a bow in it. So it looks like that and it looks absolutely amazing, all in keeping with the rest of my Christmas decorations. Now these decorations that I'm doing is actually for my Christmas tablescape for this year, which I'm going to do on Christmas Eve, okay? I normally do my Christmas tablescape on Christmas Eve, ready for Christmas breakfast on Christmas Day, of course, yeah? Hopefully I will get a chance to film that for you guys if that's something that you want to see. If you missed my Christmas tablescape from last year, I will link it in the description, okay? So you can pop over and have a look at that, okay? once you've watched my video, and also once you've watched Mr Carrington's video. Okay, his video will be linked in the description box below as well. Okay, so I've nearly finished this cone. Yep, it's all done. Okay, so this is how the cone is looking at the moment. I just absolutely love it. Just got that lovely rustic jute effect on it, and I just absolutely love that kind of style. So I've just got a string of these fairy lights, or micro lights I think they're called. These are actually from Poundland, and what I'm going to do is just wrap it around the cone, and then you've got a light up cone like so, which I just absolutely love. Okay, so that's my first project. I just absolutely love how this has turned out. Just wrapping the jute string around the cone has transformed it into something a bit more classy and a bit more tying in with the rest of my decor as well. And also adding the lights, it's just got that nice simple touch, but really nice and classic at the same time as well. Okay, and then the second one I know was very straightforward, very simple, just by adding the jute string to the ceramic reindeer. I just think this all ties in together with the rest of my decor. Okay, so like I said, these are going to be part of my Christmas tablescape, which I'm going to be creating on Christmas Eve. So if that's something that you'd like to see on the channel, me creating my Christmas tablescape, do leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't seen my tablescapes from last year, I will link that in the description box below as well. Okay, so don't forget to check out Mr Carrington's video. That would also be linked in the description box below. I don't know what he's brought to the table, but I know he's got some amazing Christmas DIYs to show you on a budget using items that he's found around his home as well. Okay, so I'd like to say thank you to Mr Carrington for collaborating with me. I absolutely love collaborating with you. It's a massive experience, you know. I absolutely love your channel. And for those of you that don't know Mr Carrington, get to know Mr Carrington, guys. He's an amazing guy, very multi-talented, such a cool, down-to-earth YouTuber. And yeah, I'm privileged to be collaborating with him. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below of which of my DIYs was your favorite. Okay, so take care, keep well, and I shall see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.